Hey you guys, Sheree here, the creative director for FitLifeTV and Organifi, and today I'm going to talk to you about something that can feel really scary for a lot of people. Today I'm going to talk to you about surrender and the art of letting go. You see, when we surrender, we allow space. I know that it can feel scary to let go of things. When we surrender, we literally say, I don't need to hold on to this anymore. This is not serving me anymore. And the space that is created for more love and abundance is immeasurable. I want you to ask yourself these questions. What would it look like for you if whatever you're holding on to right now, maybe it's past hurt, if you just let that go? What would be different, or what would have to be different? How would you need to show up to be able to truly let go and surrender to the process of life? Stop being so hard on yourself. Stop holding on to these things. They are not helping you move forward. If you truly want to live the life of your dreams, you've got to let some stuff go. When we hold on to, maybe it's past traumas, past relationships, are you ready to surrender? Are you ready to let go and live life out loud? It's possible, and you're worthy of it. I'm Sheree, the creative director for FitLifeTV and Organifi. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, we're in this together.